Welcome to 2025. A brand new year and a fresh opportunity to take control of your finances. In today's video, we'll share the ultimate investment decisions you need to make right now to secure your financial future. Whether you're starting from scratch or building on past successes, these tips are designed to maximize your wealth and minimize your risk. Stay with me. This is the roadmap to financial freedom you've been waiting for.
Start strong. Your investment blueprint for 2025. 1. Review and recalibrate your financial goals. Every January brings a chance to revisit and reset your financial goals. Start by asking yourself, what do I want to achieve this year? Are my goals realistic, measurable, and time-bound? Do I need to adjust based on last year's performance? Set clear priorities, whether it's saving for a home, starting a business, or retiring early. Once you've defined your goals, create a roadmap with actionable steps to achieve them. Pro tip: break your goals into quarterly milestones to stay on track. 2. Build a budget aligned with 2025's realities. Inflation, interest rates, and market trends can impact your finances, so it's critical to budget smartly. Allocate your income to essentials like housing, food, and transportation, financial goals like investments and debt repayment, discretionary spending for lifestyle upgrades or hobbies. Use budgeting apps to automate tracking and adjust your spending habits. 3. Take advantage of rising interest rate. Rising interest rates might seem daunting, but they're a golden opportunity for savvy investors. Here's how to leverage them. Invest in high-yield savings, accounts, or certificates of deposit. CDs for guaranteed returns. Look into dividend-paying stocks or bonds to generate passive income. Lock in fixed-rate loans before rates climb further. Turning challenges into opportunities is what smart investing is all about. Maximize interest, turn rising rates into growing wealth. 4. Prioritize tax-efficient investing. Taxes can eat into your profits, but with the right strategies, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Contribute to tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, or HSAs. Use municipal bonds to earn tax-free interest income. Harvest tax losses by selling underperforming assets to offset capital gains. A well-planned tax strategy can save you thousands over the long term. 5. Diversify beyond traditional assets. If your portfolio is too concentrated, it's time to diversify. Think beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, for exposure to property markets. Add alternative assets like commodities, gold, or even fine art for stability. Experiment with fractional investing platforms to own a slice of high-value assets. Remember, diversification protects you from the unpredictable. 6. Explore real estate opportunities. Real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth building in 2025. Here's how to tap into its potential. Invest in rental properties for long-term income. Explore short-term rentals like Airbnb for quicker cash flow. Use real estate crowdfunding platforms if you prefer a hands-off approach. Location is key. Research areas with growth potential and high demand. Real estate, the wealth builder that never goes out of style. 7. Stay ahead in cryptocurrency. Crypto continues to evolve, and 2025 brings new opportunities to invest wisely. Focus on established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum for stability. Research emerging tokens with real-world use cases. Avoid speculative hype. Always invest based on fundamentals. As always, only invest what you can afford to lose. 8. Invest in emerging markets and trends. Global growth isn't limited to your home country. Expand your horizons by investing in emerging markets or industries with explosive potential, such as renewable energy and green tech, artificial intelligence and robotics, e-commerce in developing nations. Do your due diligence to identify opportunities with long-term growth potential. Emerging markets offer high rewards, but require careful research. 9. Focus on passive income streams. Who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? Passive income is the secret to financial freedom. Start with dividend stocks or ETFs for regular payouts, peer-to-peer lending platforms for interest income, building a digital product or course that generates ongoing revenue. 10. Invest in yourself. Remember, You are your greatest asset. Dedicate time and money to personal growth by learning new skills or earning certifications to boost your career, attending networking events to connect with influential people, prioritizing your health because wealth means little without it. Invest in yourself. The ROI is unmatched.
So there you have it. 10 key investment decisions to kickstart your
Financial journey in 2025. Now, it's your turn to take action. Which strategy resonates with you most? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this roadmap. Here's to a prosperous 2025. Let's build wealth together.